How's it going, guys? My name is Voss, and if you're new to the channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I'm with my friend Junaid again. You can follow him on Instagram.
Dark Knight M6.
Yeah, we got done. You'll probably see that one first. We reviewed his 700 horsepower flame-spitting M6, and it was ridiculous. Super fun, super poised. Felt like you were in. I felt like I was at home in an M car.
That's awesome.
But it was super powerful. That little launch, that was ridiculous.
Yeah, you scared me a little bit there. I was like, wow.
I don't think, you said you've never had someone launch a car, right?
Yeah, no one's launched my car. So
hey, you offered.
Yeah, no. I had a great time, yeah.
But so today, well, actually not today. It's still the same day, I guess. You'll just see this later. But we're in the Tesla Model 3 Performance. Everyone, when we go out to these events, people want to see this car. Yeah. And this is your first electric?
I've actually never been in a Tesla, to be honest.
Interesting. What do you think?
So I really like it. I found it really strange not having a start button. It was a credit card that you scanned. It feels weird not having like a dash in the front, but like so far I really like it. It's very simplistic, one touch screen. I love the sunroof, which is amazing. So I'm excited to see how it drives.
Yep. People, once you get adjusted, they don't mind the
really?
Yeah, they seem okay.
Okay.
So to get going, this is not a full review. I just want to get your first drive impressions. So this is the key card. If you have the phone app, you can just put that in your pocket and go. If not, you have to set this right here, and then you press the foot on the brake, and then you click the stop down to go to drive, up to go to reverse, push for park, and then you click down once you're in drive for cruise, double down for autopilot, and I'll show you how that works. Okay. So first, you're in my setting. Let me just make sure we got all the performance on. Sport. Perfect.
You're always going to swear.
Yeah, that's all you need. Get to about 10 miles an hour, and then,
What?
So you're going
that's actually really, that's interesting. Huh. Yeah. That's cool. Because it's like you never have to go through your brakes again. I mean, that's very cool. Interesting. I wonder how they do that.
Like I said, I think because it's an electric motor, it's very simplistic. They don't have a lot. I think an AC motor has like 7 or 10 components in total. Okay. So it's got the way this works.
Like I can roll up to the stop sign with that. I haven't even touched the brake yet.
Yeah. And then you roll up, and then
like
you touch
I just
the brake
stop
at the very end. Yep, just to stop.
Oh wow.
That's pretty much it. Yep, but it'll roll back, so you won't. Now if you hit the brake, it'll hold. Now push out the brake. Now you're good.
Oh wow. So, okay.
Yep.
That's very cool.
Yeah, we'll go left, and we'll show you here in a second what this thing's made of. But like this thing is pretty impressive.
No, I'm enjoying it right now. Wow. It's very it's a big truck coming in my way. No, I really like it. It's like for some reason I don't know what.
It's very plain.
Yeah.
This used to be wood. We converted everything to the wrap.
Yeah, I kind of like that.
I like it. Looks more like a spaceship now.
Yeah. It's super quiet, which is really nice.
Right here. Yep. Sorry. Go ahead.
No, super.
Well, there's no engines. It's got 2 motors, one in the front, one in the back. It's all-wheel drive, and it's dual motor. So you got to turn.
Okay, I think I can get used to the braking.
Yep, and it has the steering's pretty tight.
Oh yeah, it is.
This actually has real steering wheel suspension.
Okay, holy shit. Oh, sorry.
No, you're good. Go out of here. I'll tell you one thing.
No, like I'm barely pushing the gas. It's going.
Come up to right about here and just slow down a little bit. Yep. Slow down, and now just no. Keep going straight. Now just punch it.
Oh my god. Holy dude.
All right, let off.
What?
Turn your stock up. I think your turn signal's on. There you go.
Oh my god, dude. No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah. You don't expect that when you see this thing, do you?
I was not expecting that. Like my head went back. Yeah. Like I don't even feel that in my car. This pulls, holy wow.
So they don't have a horsepower torque rating. But it's somewhere in the 5. Like it's pretty impressive.
Dude, now
all-wheel drive too. So
yeah, it gripped and like you feel you have control, but it was like I was right here. I've never had my head hit the back that quickly. Holy crap! My God.
See any cops, so we're good.
Yeah, hopefully.
Yeah. But without noticing, it's kind of like the M cars. You get up in speed quick without even realizing it. You know what I mean?
Like I'm not even pushing right now. I'm like, this is just normal, and like it has enough power where it's like you can do everything. I mean, it has a lot of power, but
so the thing is, there's no like clutches in here. Okay. There's 1 gear.
Okay.
So if you floor it, you'll feel you're riding a
all the
power
way thing.
There's no shifting happening. You know. We'll turn up at this light, and I'll show you again. And then I'll show you the self-driving and stuff too. Once that signal comes on, you can actually self-drive. But I just want to get your impressions. What do you think so far?
Dude, I'm blown away right now. Like I've just driven it for like 5 minutes and go right.
Yeah, take it right here.
Holy crap! It's also reading the car in front too, and it's telling me it's going right. Wow.
Stop here for a second. Let this person kind of get ahead quite a bit. And turn through here.
Just gonna turn this to make sure there's no car behind me.
Turn through here and let this person kind of. I just go about like slower right now. Let this person go through.
Yeah, I know, dude.
Right.
I'm like, I was. Okay, you.
Okay.
Wow.
All right, so now, go ahead and stop. Once it says hold. All right, ready?
Yeah. What do I do? Just
And
gas
3,
it.
2, 1. Just mash the gas. 3. Yep.
Oh, you did a 3.
Yep. There it is.
You feel the
Yep.
G-force.
And there it is. You can let off.
Holy crap, dude. You feel the G, like, you know how, like, okay, so one thing I just noticed right there. In my car, when I push the gas all the way, I can still, even when I'm right here, you can kind of still bring it up.
Yeah.
When you push the gas from a stop, even if you try to come up a little bit, it's really hard. It's like you're pulling double your weight or something.
It's pretty cool.
Holy
We'll do a,
crap.
now that you've seen, we'll have to do a UE. I guess they're closed. I don't know if the road is closed. Anyway, yeah, just like do a UE up here.
Okay.
What I would do now is on the way back, I'll show you the self-driving and stuff.
Okay.
So yeah, just pull a UE here. I don't know. I didn't realize the road was closed. It's kind of dumb. But
No, it's all good.
what do you think so far, though?
I'm blown away. I kind of want one. This would be a perfect daily.
We were kind of talking off camera, and you were like a little skeptical about electric.
Yeah.
How's
A little
that?
bit. You would think, okay, so
Go a
my
little
only thing
slower,
is, my thing I'm kind of so used to like having a gas powered engine, I have a V8 engine, and I'm like, I don't know how I was gonna feel getting into electric car with like not having transmission, or not having like a transmission, just having,
yeah, I get that.
like not having gear shifts, but being in this car, I actually feel like I'm at home.
Doesn't it feel easy to drive?
It
too?
feels-
It's not intimidating.
It feels easy to drive, it's not intimidating, and you honestly don't, like the shifting doesn't even register with you.
Oh, yeah.
Like, I don't even realize it for some reason. I think maybe because I have a dual clutch, so I don't even feel it in my car.
I'm with you on that.
But it's just like, when I'm driving, it's like, there's just power all around, and like, you can drive it as a normal, like, it's amazing. Wow.
So
I really like it.
Pull the stock down twice. Now you're in self-driving mode. Let your hands off the wheel, and I will adjust your speed. It's the max because we're closer. So it won't stop at a light. They
Okay.
can't. It's illegal right now. The car's pre-set up with that, but the government regulations, the car's turned off.
Okay.
So, but it's still driving itself.
So is it reading here? Like, what's it?
You'll have to hit the brakes when you come up here. Every few seconds, it'll tell you to touch the wheel.
Okay.
But other than that, you're pretty much self-driving. You can see it like tracks itself on the. So, go ahead and hit the brake, and go left here. I'll show you again through a corner. Yep. And then go left out here. And then
I forget, because it's a rare wrecking, yeah.
I know that was a straight line, but it was driving itself.
No, if you feel it right on the steering
You can
wheel.
see it turn, yeah.
You forget how like just minor things, like it's like just you're automatically doing it like consciously, and it's like you're turning a little bit, like even when you're going in a straight line, you're like your arms are doing something, you just don't feel it, and like once you see it doing the Tesla doing it, it's like wow.
So 1
Just
second.
push it.
Yep, double tap, and just let your hands off the wheel. And then every few seconds, it'll tell you to touch it. But remember, at a stop sign, if a car is there or like a stoplight, it'll stop. If a car's not there, it'll run it. So you do have to stop.
Okay.
Part of that is just because of the government right now, they don't want
see.
fully autonomous vehicles.
Yeah,
But
that
the
makes
car's already
sense.
preloaded with it all.
That's amazing, and I love how there's like an upgrade. You can just upgrade the software.
Coming from an M6, you know, the interior is pretty premium. This is basic, but what do you think? Does it feel nice to you, or does it feel too basic?
It feels nice. I think I would like this as a daily.
Daily, yeah.
I wouldn't.
Fast.
Yeah, it's not like, I don't think it's like a supercar territory yet, or like, you know, like a hypercar, whatever. I don't
It's
even know
fast,
whatever
it's
category I'm in. I do like it a lot though.
Yeah.
Like I can like, you're not gonna be
Just slightly.
apply
touch it.
slightly.
Yep, that's it.
Wow, that's really cool.
Yep.
Like I can just be like, you know, I can just be talking to you right now. It's kind of freaking me out, but
It's pretty good. We don't have a lot of turns on this, but I would have shown you. It'll turn. Let's not try the roundabout. I don't know what it'll do in a roundabout. So,
Yeah.
But it does turns pretty well and whatnot.
okay, wow.
Yeah.
I'm very surprised by this. No, I really like it. Like I drive a lot for work, so this would be perfect, amazing, and you save on gas. I spend $70 a week. Oh no, I spend $70 every time I fill up, and I fill up about 2 to 3 times a week.
So hit the brakes here, get off self-driving. Just because I don't know how it'll react on a
roundabout.
So we'll just keep going straight though. I wouldn't use self-driving here.
Okay.
I'll tell you when to use it. But we've put about 14,300 on this
Oh wow,
in
okay.
9 months, and it's pretty much had no problems whatsoever. But how's the steering wheel and stuff?
The steering wheel feels good. It's a little, you have to adapt to the generated braking.
Yep.
That's actually nice. Like I think this entire trip I've not even used, like even right now I'm slowing down at this roundabout. I'm not even
straight
using
up
the
there. Yep.
brakes at all. It's just the automatic braking on this car, and which is really, really nice. and like
You punch it. Yep.
I'm not even punching it. Like it still accelerates. Like that's wow, dude. I actually like it. Kind of sounds like a spaceship.
Yep.
You get that whooshing sound with like whooshing or something. It's really nice.
One of my favorite features with this is it actually has suspension. It's not just like air ride.
It's
It
very
actually has
comfortable.
coils and
Super comfortable.
And it's
yeah.
in sport. If I show you, if we drop this into regular mode,
Okay.
I'll show you. You can stop here. Let's go to steering mode, comfort, acceleration, chill. Out of the stop sign, go like this, and then give it a little gas. You can feel
The steering wheel got a little lighter.
Yep. And then if you give it gas now, or okay, I'm sorry if I'm saying gas. If you press the pedal, there's no gas here. I'm sorry about that. But yeah, go ahead and you can punch it.
Oh, it's completely different.
That's what the $35,000 one I'm guessing feels like. That's how it felt on the test drive. But now let's go to sport.
Yeah, you
Slow
can't.
down
You
again.
no. If you're gonna get a Tesla, you can't get the $35,000.
Slow down again. And now punch it again.
Okay, it's a little bit.
So now come to a kind of a stop. Okay. Go ahead and punch it.
Oh my god.
Yep. There you go. And then once we get out of this corner, we'll turn autopilot back on, and you can just try it again. Nope. You have to wait for that to
The thing to come up.
Yep. Give it a second. Yep. There you go. And then yeah, and you can control your speeds through here. So
Okay.
if you scroll big time, it's 4 or 5 miles an hour. If you could do increments as well. So I'll just leave it at like 48 or whatnot, whatever's more comfortable.
Yeah, whichever
and then
one.
from
I know there was cops on this road, so you
Yep.
gotta be careful.
There's full, like, you can play around with this. It's like full Google Maps. You can get all the services you can get on the internet. Just watch it. Just trust it. Just stop it. Just don't let it go through the
The stop sign. Okay. I just it's like it's weird. It's like I want to trust it, but I don't want to trust it.
Does a pretty good job though.
No, it does. It's really good. Wow. It like.
So I would stop it through here just because
We don't wanna go
I
through it.
wouldn't risk going through a roundabout. But once
You
you
just
get
don't
out
wanna
of the
go through it.
roundabout, stay at like 20 miles an hour and turn the regenerative brake, or turn the autopilot back on. I'll show you how it takes these turns up here. So go slower here. Go slow. You have to flat straighten your wheel. Go ahead. Twice. Yep. So yeah, it's taking the.
Is it taking the turn? Yeah.
Yep. It took that pretty well.
No, it's moving everything. Wow. You can just pass out.
Yeah.
So how's it on the highway? Like, is it you just have to like, because you don't have any stop signs, you don't have
You
any.
just leave it on there. If you're navigating somewhere, you can click navigate on autopilot. It'll change lanes if you tell it to.
Really?
It'll take exits and stuff like that.
Wow.
So it has the full self-driving already set up, but some of the features are still restricted by the government right now
Yeah.
just because of safety and regulations.
You just gotta touch it a little bit.
A little bit here and there, and then like I said, it's got a dash cam built in inside. It has 7 cameras around. You can record. You can see the back camera when you drive.
So do you think it has like a webcam, like like a dash camera that's just always recording?
It's already there, and you can set it up to the USB underneath it here. But it's pretty it's got a lot of features, but it's pretty standard. Then the air is always trips people up. That's got a central air system back there.
Oh, that's really cool.
Yep.
Oh wow, that's awesome.
And I would just stop it up here, and then take a right out of here.
Yeah, okay, so one thing is you don't really want to use the brakes in this car.
You don't need to.
You don't need, because it's like, even when you're using the brakes, it's going to slow down faster than you're braking.
And this, because it was the performance, we've got 20-inch wheels with Michelin Pilot Sport 4S's and giant, I don't think they're Brembo, but we've got pretty giant brakes. Take a left out of here.
So let me ask you this, how many, like, on a full charge, how far can you go?
This one's a 305 miles range. The $35,000 one's 200 miles of range. So stop when you turn it around the corner here.
Do you mind if you get on my Instagram too? Oh, there's a car coming anyways.
Okay. Go ahead and just just stop for a second.
Stop?
Yeah, just stop for a second. Screw it. Yep. And then now go ahead and, yep.
That guy's probably like, what the hell?
0 to 60 is where this car shines more than the top speed, but
no, I really like this. Like, it's the perfect car. I think like it beats. Seatbelt locked up a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
No, but like, if you look at like the price range, we're like, I don't know how much the price is. Probably what, 60, 70,000.
So
probably around
base is 35. The performance one, when it first came out last year, everything fully loaded was about 80.
Okay.
Now it's like 60 something.
That's not bad.
Yeah.
Okay, so it ranges. So you can get like a used M4 for that price if you wanted to.
Sounds like a Civic, but yep.
Yeah, it's not a Civic. For 60 grand. But like honestly, like people buy $60,000 dailies and stuff like that. Like
Take it right out of
it's
here.
a good car. Like, I really like it. Like, you can take it on long drive. You won't have to worry about the mileage. It's gonna hold its value. I know I know like Teslas from like 2014, which have so many miles on them.
What is happening is Tesla themselves are dropping the price.
Yeah, how do you feel about that?
It's kind of shafting the owners that pay $1, but they're trying to get more people cars, trying to spread the word. I get it. I mean,
yeah.
But yeah, what do you think?
I love it. No, I kind of want one now.
All right, guys. I apologize if we have a very abrupt ending here. One of my GoPros overheated, and this one's en route to overheat. Yeah. So, what do you think so far?
I love
Conclusions.
It. I love it. You guys need to buy it. 100% need to buy it. It's amazing. Like, it just goes.
It's gut wrenching, isn't it?
Yeah, no, it's amazing. It's like you feel it in your stomach when you take off. It's amazing.
So, all right, guys. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button. Make sure you check out Junaid's Instagram,
Dark Knight M6.
Thank you for watching, and I will see you next video.
Peace, guys.